Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So since if you saw my last video, I just bought this Honda Shadow VLX, and I'm gonna do some maintenance on it before I start riding on it. And today I'm gonna show you how to change the preload, the shock on this thing. So what you do is you remove this cover right here. This so basically just easily removing it. See? So after you remove that, as you can see, the preload is in here. I'm not sure you can see it. Yeah, there he is. So you use this tool is called a spanner. Usually if you have your the original toolkit, then it comes with a spanner, but mine, when I bought it, they don't have it, or they lost it already, so I have to buy one, and this thing is not that great. It's so thin, but it worked. So what you do is, usually in the manual they show you you just need to open this cover and try to turn this way, right in here, and the space is too small, and I don't think that's a good idea. So what you need to do is you need to remove the seat. So the seat, when you remove it, there's right here on the back of here, each side, this side, and on the other side, same thing on this side. So that's two screws. This screw right here. So you need to take it out before you're going to remove the seat. So you're removing the seat is it's pretty easy. All you need to do is just pull this forward and then take it out. So when you take the seat out, as you can see, the opening for doing the adjustment is a lot easier. And for this bike, it's a single shock. So that's it. So usually the factory setting is on number 2. If you look at the bike inside, there's you can see there's a mark. So what you're going to do is change the preload to that mark, whatever preload you want. So number 1 is from 1 to 7. So number 1 is for just you ride by yourself. There's not a lot of weight. That's number 1. So the heavier, the bigger the number, the more load that you have on the bike. So the factory is number 2, and so it's depend on your weight, or depend on you have a passenger rider, you change the preload to a little bit higher. So what you're gonna do is, because this is a the aftermarket tool, so it's not very good. So all you do is you hook the tool in like this, and then you just spin it. Hook the tool in like this, and then you just pull it down. So I want to get to maybe number 3. Pull it. So that's go to number 2, and you can hear the click after you pull it to the right number, then you hear that click sound. So okay, so I want to get to maybe 2 or 3. I'll go ahead and do 2, 3. So 3. There you go. So 3. So as you can see, it's going to 3. So this is where it is, right here. So you can see the mark. So let's go to 3. So I just leave it at 3. And that's it. So that's it for this video. I hope it's helped. If you are new to this motorcycle and you want to find out how to adjust the preload, so there's no way you can do it by hand or you can do it with a screwdriver. You must, if you don't have the regular toolkit, the original toolkit, then you have to buy this spanner right here, spanner tool, to do it. That's the only way. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So I'll probably do a lot of video in the series that tell you how to do maintenance on this thing. Okay, so that's it, and I'll see you guys on the next video.